Okay students, this is another part of logarithmic inequalities, or you can call basic inequalities. Today I am going to explain some more problems. Here one problem is given, logarithm of x square minus 1 to the base x lesser than or equal to 0. For every problem you want to find domain. So domain of the problem, first case x square minus 1 should be greater than 0. Second, base is there, no, that should be greater than 0 and your base should not be equal to 1. Such common x should find, that is become the domain of the problem. So what you can write now, this one x plus 1 into x minus 1 greater than 0 and x greater than 0 and x is not equal to 1. So now I want to draw number line for first of all I want to find solution for this. Minus 1 plus 1 plus minus plus this one saying that your x is greater than 1 and less than minus 1. But this x is saying that your x should be greater than 0. So this is saying that your x is not equal to 1. Okay students, what is the common here? This is common for all. Now you can say the domain of the problem is open 1 to infinity. In this domain only you want to solve the problem, or in this domain only you want to find the solutions. Okay, now logarithm of x square minus 1 to the base x lesser than or equal to 0 given. Now I want to solve. But important thing is base is a variable. Any logarithmic form, log n base a, you want split it, you want take base as two pieces. A is from 0 to 1 and a is greater than 1. Already here also x should be taken from 0 to 1 and x is greater than 1. But our domain saying that your x is greater than 1 means only one case will arise, that is x is greater than 1. So therefore logarithm of x square minus 1 to the base x lesser than or equal to log 1 base x I can write. Okay, directly your base is greater than 1, no, increasing function. Inequality won't alter, x minus 1 lesser than or equal to 1 since x is greater than 1. This is x square minus 2 lesser than or equal to 0 or x plus root 2 into x minus root 2 lesser than or equal to 0, number line minus root 2 plus minus plus, we want negative symbols. Okay, so now we want to find the intersection of this interval and this. So what this saying that your x should be lies between minus root 2, but domain saying that your value is from 1 to infinity. So 1 to infinity means somewhere here 1, because root 2 means 1 point something, 1 is here 1 to infinity. Okay, total intersection is this area. Therefore solution of the problem. Okay, open 1 to. Okay students, our next problem. Log x plus 2 into x plus 4 base 3 plus logarithm of x plus 3 to the base 1 by 3 less than 1 by 2 into log 7 base root 3. Okay, no problem. Here 3, here 3 power minus 1, here 3 power 1 by 2. Okay, but we need to find domain of the problem first. So x plus 2 into x plus 4 should be greater than 0 and x plus 3 greater than 0. Two conditions. So directly what this saying that minus 4 and minus 2 plus minus plus your x should be less than minus 4, your x should be greater than minus 2. So what this saying that your x should be greater than minus 3. The intersection should find. Minus 3 means somewhere here minus 3. So greater than minus 3. Okay, so I want to write separate for that. Yeah, minus 4, minus 2. First one saying that your x less than minus 4, greater than minus 2. This saying that your x should be greater than minus 3. So final intersection is minus 2 to infinity. That is the domain. Domain of the problem. Open minus 2 to infinity. In this domain only we want to find the solutions. Observe here. Now logarithm of x plus 2 into x plus 4 to the base 3. I want to convert all in the base 3. Directly this is 3 power minus 1 I can write. So I want to write one more step. X plus 3 power 1 3 power minus 1 is less than 1 by 2 into logarithm of 7 power 1 power 3 power 1 by 2. So what is this, Nana? You write as it is this base 3 plus what happened here? This minus logarithm of x plus 3 to the base 3 is less than 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 by 2 means 2 by 1 into log of 7 base 3. So this is nothing but log of x plus 2 into x plus 4 by x plus 3 to the base 3, yeah, less than, just I used a number 2, log m minus log n in the same base, log m by log n is less than 2 to get cancelled. Here what happened, Anna? Log 7 base 3. So both side logarithms, log x1 base a less than log x2 base a greater than 1, so directly I can say that x1 less than x2 means x plus 2 into x plus 4 by x plus 3 is less than 7. So we want to solve it. So what I am doing here, just this is x square plus 6x plus 8 minus 7x minus 21 by x plus 3 less than direct step. So what is this, Nana? X square minus x minus 10 11 11 13 by x plus 3 less than 0. Observe 13, correct only. Now you want to find its factors. So factors won't possible. I want to use perfect square method. Rough work here. X square minus 2x into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 13. That is x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Yeah, minus 13 40 52. 52 by 4. Our numerator can be written as x minus 1 by 2 plus root 52 by 4 into x minus 1 by 2 minus root 52 by 4 by x plus 3 less than 0. Now I want to identify it on number line. So what is this, Nana? 1 plus, okay, root 52 by 2, this one. So what is this? 1 minus root 52 by 2. It's minus 3 somewhere here. Okay. Okay. So plus minus negative symbols you want. But what domain saying that? Minus 2 to infinity. Minus 2 to infinity. Here minus to somewhere to infinity. All. So I can say that my common area is this. Final x is open 1 minus root 52 by 2 to open 1 plus root 52 by 2. Okay, students, actually in my book the problem is given here 2 here. Yeah, by mistake I wrote 3 and I completed, no problem. So you can treat this third problem. Here 2 is given, here 2, here 2. So intersection this one only, domain is okay. Here 2, here 2, okay, here 2. Okay, x is greater than minus 2. Now can cancel these two. Greater than minus 2, no, since x is greater than minus 2. This is never 0. So now problem becomes logarithm of x plus 4, yeah, to the base 3 is lesser than logarithm of 7 base 3. Simple problem. By mistake, instead of x plus 2, I wrote x plus 3. It became a new problem. Now actual problem is here x plus 2, that is taken as third problem. Okay. So what happened on a direct x plus 4 lesser than 7, x is less than 3. So this is one of the solution. X is less than 3. Now we want to identify the area which is common with the domain. So what the domain saying that? Domain saying that your x should be greater than 2, greater than minus 2. So what this saying that your x should be less than 3. So this is common. So therefore final x is open minus 2 to open 3. Another problem. What is the difficulty in this problem means base also a variable. That is difficult. So domain of the problem. X minus 2 greater than 0, 1 minus x should be greater than 0 and 1 minus x is not equal to 1. Means x is greater than 2, x is less than 1 and x is not equal to 0. Here 2, here 1, here 0. X greater than 2. This is saying that x greater than 2. This is saying that x less than 1. No common. So x belongs to empty. The meaning of this, we can't solve this problem. There should be a common x which satisfies these three conditions. And that x only, and the domain only you can solve the problem. But what is saying that x is greater than 2, x is less than 1 and x is not equal to 0. But 3 should intersect. These two are intersecting, but all the three are not intersecting, means that x belongs to empty set, no solution. Okay students, next interesting question. Find x so that this function is defined. What is the meaning of defined here? Y is equal to f of x. Y is function with respect to x. What values of x, y is real, is called its domain. Instead of x, what real should take so that y becomes real. That is called domain of the problem. Because the functions are real functions. Domain and range should be the part of real numbers. Here also, what values of x, this is defined means what values of x, this is a real number. Root over something real number means that something should be greater than or equal to 0. First condition. First condition. So logarithm of something to the base 1 by t should be greater than or equal to 0. 0 also no problem. Root over 0, 0 only. That is real number only. Second condition. Your x minus 1 by x plus 5 should be greater than 0. Log defined only for positive real numbers. Now you want to find a common x which is satisfied by these two conditions. You can say that is the domain of the problem. So, logarithm of something, bracket means x minus 1 by x plus 5 to the base 1 by 2 is greater than or equal to log 1 base 1 by 2. Log x1 base a greater than or log x2 base a is 0 to 1, automatically unequal alter x minus 1 by x plus 5 is lesser than or equal to 1. Or x minus 1 minus x minus 5 by x plus 5 lesser than or equal to 0, x cancel, minus 6 by x plus 5 lesser than or equal to 0. But the meaning of already this is negative, so this should be positive to get lesser than, therefore x should be greater than minus 5. This is one of the part. So second part should find, their intersection should find now. Okay. So what is this now? A direct number line I can use. Number direct. This is minus 5. This is 1 plus minus plus. We want positive symbols. Okay. So we want positive symbols. Means this is second part. Now this is first part. This is second part. Now you want to find the intersection. Okay. Again I want a number line. So minus 5, 1. First one saying that below minus 5 and above 1. This saying that your should be less greater than minus 5, So the intersection is this. Therefore, x belongs to open 1 to infinity in this domain. Okay, students, our sixth problem is this. Just I want to adjust the problem first. So instead of this one, I want to write 0.5 power 0 I can write instead of 1. One law is there, no? A power x is greater than a power y. Then x is less than y. If your base is from 0 to 1, unequal alter. Here 0.5. So So now problem becomes logarithm of some logarithm of x square minus 4 by 5 to the base 1 by 3 base 3 is less than 0. Okay, so this is logarithm of x square 4 by 5 to the base 1 by 3 base 3 less than log 1 base 3 I can write. So this is same as logarithm of x square minus 4 by 5, yeah, base 1 by 3 is less than 1. So logarithm of x square minus 4 by 5 to the base 1 by 3 less than log 1 by 3 base 1 by 3. 1 by 3, 0 to 1, inequal alter. So x square minus 4 by 5 is greater than 1 by 3. But I made a mistake, no? Identify. What is the mistake? First of all, you want to find domain. After finding domain, you can solve the problem. Okay, just I will solve, after that I will find domain and I will search for the solution. Okay students, x square minus 7 by 15, actually here 1 by 3, not 1 by 5 is given. So 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5. So what happened on here? X square 1 by 5 this side 1 minus 1 is greater than 0, or x plus 1 into x minus 1 greater than 0, your x minus 1 greater than 1 less than minus 1. But this is as taken as part 1 only, because that is not taken as solution. First of all, you want to find the domain. So I want to find domain. First case, this should be greater than 0 and this should be greater than 0. 2. So domain of the problem. Actually, you need to complete this part in starting only. Domain of problem. Observe here, students. Two conditions now here. What is the first condition? Logarithm of x square minus 4 by 5 to the base 1 by 5 should be greater than 0. Next one is x square minus 4 by 5 should be greater than 0. So what is this? Logarithm of x square 4 by 5 to the base 1 by 5 greater than log 1 base 1 by 5. Unequal alter x square minus 4 by 5 less than 1. Okay students, what is this? X square minus 4 by 5 minus 1 less than 0, or x square minus 9 by 5 less than 0, or x plus 3 by root 5 into x plus 3 by root 5 less than 0, means minus 3 by root 5 and plus 3 by root 5. One is plus, one is minus. Okay, plus, minus, plus, negative symbols. This is one of the part of the domain. Here what happened, Anna? This is x plus 2 by root 5 into, this is x plus 2 by root 5 into x minus 2 by root 5 greater than 0, means minus 2 by root 5 and plus 2 by root 5. So this is kind say part 3, this is part 2, this is part 1. Now final intersection should find. Okay students, observe here from 1 to 3, from 1, 2 and 3, number line. Okay, what is this, Nana? Root 9 by 5, root 9 by 5. One is minus root 9 by 5. What is this? Root 4 by 5, root 4 by 5, somewhere here. Root 4 by 5, minus root 4 by 5. Okay, so what is next? This is 1. 1 means root over 5 by 5. Root over 5 by 5 means somewhere here. Root over 5 by 5. I can say 1. So minus 1. Minus 1 means what happened? Minus root over 5 by 5. Total root, no? Okay. So root over here minus 1 here. Now we want to identify the solution. So first part saying that your x should be greater than 1 and less than minus 1. Part 2 saying that your x should be less between these two. Part saying that minus 2 by root 5 more and less. This is the common part. This is the final solution. Therefore x belongs to minus 3 by root 5 to minus 1 union. I think anywhere equalities, okay, all open circles only, okay, union 1 to 3 by root 5. This is the solution of the problem. Okay students, here two more problems, easy problems only. So first 7th one I want to solve. So logarithm of mod of 4 minus 5x to the base 2 greater than 2. First of all, we want to find domain of the problem. So this is positive real number for any x, or you can say this is the non-negative real number. Okay, but you want positive real number, means this value should not be, if x is equal to 4 by 5, this is equal to 1, except that this logarithm is defined. That's why domain equal to all real numbers except that 4 by 5. Now logarithm of mod of 4 minus 5x to the base 2 greater than logarithm of 4 base 2. I can write this directly. 2 means log 4 base 2. So base 2 greater than 1, increasing function, mod of 4 minus 5x greater than 4. So mod x greater than a type, mod x greater than a means x greater than a or x less than minus a. So 4 minus 5x greater than 4 or 4 minus 5x less than minus 4. 4 get cancel, minus 5x greater than 0 or x less than 0. Or next one is what happened here. So minus 5x less than minus 8 or 5x greater than 8 or x greater than 8 by 5. So union 4 by 5. So 4 by 5, 8 by 5, below only, no, that's no problem. So union you want, union of these two is the solution. So what this saying that 0, this is 8 by 5 greater than and lesser than, no problem. So except 4 by 5, where is that 4 by 5? Somewhere here 4 by 5, that's no problem. Solution is minus infinity 0 union 8 by 5 to infinity. This is the solution of the problem. Okay, next problem, 8th problem. So 8th problem is based on one property, a power log n base a equal to n. But most of the students will make mistakes. Directly they will write x minus 1 greater than x plus 2 and they will solve. That become wrong. First of all, you want to find domain of the problem. Okay, domain x minus 1 should be greater than 0, x should be greater than 1. In this domain only we want to find the solution. Okay, now by using this law, directly can say that x minus 1 is greater than x plus 5. Okay, minus 1 greater than 5, which is false. What the meaning of this? There is no x, which is satisfied by this equality. No real x.